Hi everyone, this is a tutorial of how to play the song This Wandering Day on the ukulele from The Rings of Power. Okay, so this is not the most ukulele friendly key. It's in the key of B flat actually, and if you want to play it in the key without playing all bar chords, you're going to have to use a capo on the 3rd fret. The sun is fast falling beneath trees of stone. The light in the tower no longer my home. Past stars of pale fire, black sand for my bed. I trade all I've known for the unknown ahead. Call to me, let's far away, for I must now wander this wandering day. Away I must wander this wandering day. Of drink I have little, of food I have less. My strength tells me no, but the path demands yes. My legs are so short, and the way is so long. I have no rest nor comfort, no comfort but song. Sing to me, let's far away. Oh, rise up and guide me this wandering day. Please promise to find me this wandering day. At last comes their answer, through cold and through frost, that not all who wander or wander are lost. No matter the sorrow, no matter the cost, that not all who wander or wander are lost. We're going to be pretending that we're in the key of G, but we're really in the key of B flat. And there are 2 parts to this song, and I'll just guide you through the first part here. So we're not going to do a whole lot of strumming. It's just very sparse strumming throughout. It just accompanies the voice. Here are the order of the chords in the first section. And here's the refrain. A couple of tips here. There are a lot of D's, and I recommend staggering your fingers like this. Put your middle finger on top and then your pointer finger and ring finger underneath. Because you could also just do a bar chord like this for D and mute the bottom. And then there's this B minor chord here. B minor, you're going to bar the bottom 3 strings like this on the 2nd fret, and then you're going to reach up with your ring finger to the 1, 2, 3, 4th fret like that. You could also just bar the bottom 3 and not do the top one. If there are 2 sections, A, B, or verse, refrain, you're going to go A, B, A, B, A. Thanks for following along today, everyone. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for your learning. Have a great day.